How does bone marrow adapt to infection and stress? Imagine your body is like a busy city, constantly responding to different events. When infection or stress hits, your bone marrow steps up to keep the city safe. It does this by changing how it makes and releases immune cells. These cells are your body's frontline defenders. Bone marrow can sense signals from infections or stress in the body. These signals include molecules called cytokines and interferons. When these are detected, the bone marrow activates its blood cell factories. This process is called hematopoiesis, which means blood cell formation. During infection, the bone marrow produces more immune cells like neutrophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes. These cells rush into the bloodstream to fight off pathogens. The key players are hematopoietic stem and progenitor cells. These are special cells that can turn into different types of blood cells. Normally, these stem cells rest quietly in the marrow. But during infection, they get signals to wake up and multiply. Cytokines like interleukin-6 and interferon gamma are released by immune cells. These signals tell stem cells to produce more myeloid cells, which include neutrophils and monocytes. The bone marrow's environment, called the microenvironment, helps regulate this process. It includes stromal cells, endothelial cells, and other support cells. These cells detect danger signals like pathogen-associated molecular patterns and danger-associated molecular patterns. When these are recognized, they trigger immune responses that boost blood cell production. The bone marrow also helps move immune cells into the blood. For example, complement system components like C5 attract granulocytes into circulation. These cells then follow chemical signals to reach infected tissues. During acute infection, the bone marrow can quickly increase its output of immune cells. However, if stress or infection lasts a long time, the marrow might change. It can remodel or become damaged, which can affect blood cell production. Sometimes this leads to long-term issues like stem cell aging or blood disorders. Interestingly, different parts of the body have specialized bone marrow. For example, the skull's marrow can support rapid immune responses in the brain area. Overall, the bone marrow acts like a dynamic factory that senses danger, ramps up production, and releases immune cells to protect the body. Its ability to adapt quickly is vital for fighting infections and managing stress.